It's been 8 days since I transplanted out of my Monty tray. And I think they're ready to be transplanted into something bigger. Once again, I've been getting all my information from the Grow Book and Equipment Guide and all about nutrients. And I suggest, once again, you order yours today. Later. It is now time to transplant out of my red Solo cups into my pots using the Fox Farm. Of course, I was using the Grow Book and Equipment Guide for advice. I suggest you go ahead and order yours today to get successful results like that. Later.